Well, hello, everybody. I'm at the Ozark City website. There's a couple of things I want to show you. Number one, when you check in the link up here, it's broke for Facebook. So, what you can do is go to the bottom of the page, like I did. I jumped all the way to the bottom, and you can click on it there and you can get access to it. We need them to fix that. I found something else that I need bring to people's attention, and here it is right here. They're they're they post these things like this that it's really I can't make it read it to me. So what I want to show you is a quick modality and a fix for that. You can jump over to Grok AI, and Grok AI can read it to you. And how you do that is you go to the document. We got to jump back and forth, but you go back to the document and you click on it and you go copy image, and then you go back, and I've already done it, but I'm gonna show you what I did. In the box down here, you do right click and then you hit paste, and it will put any image that you need to be read to you or understood. In other words, it broke it down into its parts. And this is what it sounds like when it's reading it. And this is what it read to me. I'm going to read all of it so you'll get a gist of what it said. I think it can stop right here. Now I go and tell it to read. Now this is just a reading app that you can install on Chrome, and you'll have it where you have it all the time.
Thank you for sharing the image. Based on the content of the image, it appears to be a press release regarding a GIS remediation project for improving 911 mapping in Christian County, Missouri. Here's a summary of what it says. Title: 911 Mapping for Christian County Emergency Services to Increase Accuracy in Emergencies. Release date: January 6, 2025. Project overview: Christian County Emergency Services, CCES 911, is launching a project to update 911 mapping with the aim to enhance emergency services across Christian County and Missouri. This project is funded by federal ARPA funds. Purpose: the goal is to improve the accuracy of county maps and address data for emergency responders, fulfilling a requirement by the Missouri 911 Service Board. Implementation: mapping engineers from SDR Incorporated will verify locations by driving through cities, towns, and recreational areas during daylight. The 911 field vehicle will be marked with 911 mapping signs. Procedure: the vehicle will stop to observe and document addresses but will not interact with residents or enter private property unless necessary for layout verification of apartment units. Timeline: field work is expected to be completed by the beginning of February 2025. Contact information: for further inquiries, contact Wes Taylor at CCES 911 or Julie Kellerman at SDR Inc.
So that is what you have to do when they put something on a county or a city website that's supposed to be accessible. And this is what I wrote them. So I'm going to have it read this back to you so you'll understand what I'm saying. Could be. Let me just highlight it all and have it read it to you.
Hello, I wanted to share that I have dyslexia and dysgraphia, which makes reading certain images quite challenging. When materials are posted in a way that's not accessible, it can be difficult for people like me to access the information. Could you please consider including text descriptions or alternative formats alongside images like this in the future? It would really help make your content more inclusive for everyone. Thank you so much for your understanding and assistance in this matter. Keeping in mind the principles of the Americans with Disabilities Act regarding accessibility in public communications.
And that's what I wanted to teach you tonight. This is interesting, and it's a new feature in Grok. And so I've switched over from Copilot, and now Grok is my go-to AI companion and has more accessibility features and allows me to have greater insight into what's going on in the world and how to navigate through some of these governmental sites, state site and the city sites, and have better interaction skills with. I need the knowledge. to to if I see these people out in public and they're mapping, I'm gonna pull over and talk to them. Now I know who they are before they get here. Thank y'all for watching my channel. I really appreciate y'all. Keep coming back, and I'm gonna have tips like this from now on every so often. Just trying to mix it up and then coming up with better ways to communicate. That's what this is all about, even at the governmental level. And even, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Thank y'all for watching my channel. I really appreciate it.